Hello and welcome to Two Wheels Feels rebuild. Now this is a special rebuild and it's the best rebuild because for one, we don't have to pay anything and two, we don't have to do anything. This is Dan's 996. Dan, tell us a little bit about this.
So I bought this from a friend of a friend. He had taken it apart to powder coat the frame and he started putting it back together but never finished it due to some arthritis he was getting in his hands, etc, etc. Yeah, I was trying to look the other day. They feel like plastic. It's on the inside. Sounds like plastic.
Yeah.
1706. Ooh.
Young.
The same day I bought the 916. Got a phone call saying this was up for sale and I ended up with this as well.
She's not looking the prettiest at the moment, but get all these odds and sods done. So you're a man with many Ducatis.
Unfortunately, at the moment, yeah.
Which one are you going to keep?
Well, that is the ultimate question, isn't it? It is really clean. Really clean. And that's otherwise, if it was, well, not that the 916 isn't clean. My man said it's got patina, but you know, the frame's got marks on it, and little chips here and there, and all the rest of it. And the engine cases on the 916 have been painted, but not brilliantly. He's spent a fortune on this. Like, there's a brand new pillion seat in there. There's all brand new, genuine Ducati, all exhaust seals, everything, even down to the rubbers, etc, etc. So there's a brand new set of decals somewhere. Yeah.
Good old Haynes.
Need to find out we need to put this back together first, because the more we delve into it, the more problems, as I was just running through with you, have been coming across. So I'm not quite sure what else we're going to find. Hopefully nothing. Already found that the clutch is broken, the drum has been broken, the side stand's been snapped on the mounting point, so, and everything is loose. But to be fair, he did say to me when I picked it up, make sure you check everything. So,
So this is, are you finding small problems, not big problems at the moment?
Well, the clutch is fairly big, I suppose, in one way. But yeah, it's all lots of little bits at the moment. And then, like, the biggest battle is, because didn't take it apart, knowing where bits go, what routes they go, as we've just been playing with the rear brake, trying to get that on. Has been a few bits where I've had to take wiring off and put it back on 3 or 4 times to find the exact route for it. But it's very clean. I'll give it that.
I was gonna say it looks quite clean. So what's the timeline on this? What we giving you?
I'd like to get it done in a month.
A month.
Yes.
And then after a month, would I be able to give it a bit of a test ride?
Yeah.
I've never ridden one of these before, so
we can back to back the 916 and the 996.
Oh, excellent. Okay, well, I'm gonna man you with a camera.
Yep. I'll have to do some filming over the next few weeks.
Excellent.
And keep you updated with the progress.
Wicked.